In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix error code drowned in Minecraft Pocket Edition. So let's get started. So I'm gonna go over a lot of solutions. You can go ahead and try as many as you want to see which one works out. The first one is server issues. So ensure the server you're trying to connect to is online and functioning properly. If the server is outdated, it might cause compatibility issues. And let's say if the server is still not working, then you'll have to report the error code to the server administrator for troubleshooting. The next one is network connectivity problems. So, connectivity problems. Then ensure you have a stable and strong internet connection, and if possible, connect to a different network to see if the issue persists. And you could also try restarting your router or modem because this can sometimes resolve network related problems. The next one is game file corruption. Game file corruption. So ensure your device meets the minimum system requirements for the game and make sure that you update the device software because keeping your device's operating system and game launcher up to date can obviously fix bugs and issues so you won't come across them. The next one is third-party mods or add-ons. Third-party mods or add-ons. So disable mods and add-ons. Temporarily disable any mods or add-ons you're using to see if they're causing the error. And then you could also try update mods and add-ons. So if the error is caused by a mod, try updating it to a compatible version. The last one we have is temporarily server overloads. So server overloads. So if the server is experiencing high load, it may be temporarily overloaded. So try connecting again later. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.